Happy birthday to all my Librans! Woohoo!
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless up on yourself first and foremost, and you know Wull on there with the latest, isn't it? So, if you're not subscribers yet, the door is always open, so consider doing so. Alright, so we'll kick off everything first with Shenseea. Today her birthday, she seemed to enjoy it, and she made the people know this from morning, isn't it?
For everybody that says they don't know what to give me for my birthday, speaking here, I love money. I would like some money for my birthday. I love his money. I love her money. I love everybody's money. Please. Please. Yes, that's what I want for my birthday. Money. I'll be your money, me love. Can't say me never tell you. Oh.
Yeah, guys, so that's what she request for her birthday, you see me? Yeah. And so far she get some nice little gift and thing. She not too sure the money, you know, but I know she get it, you know. Yes, I love her, you see. But see the gift, yeah.
What's your man?
Birthday, bro. Bro, come on. Hey, I'll see you right there. Don't put present birthday done, boy.
Oh, who's this from?
Yeah, people, so from early out it seems to going good, and as a top, you know, artist and thing, we expect that. So she go and enjoy the local boat ride out. Look like she seek some fish. So she have to do some local fishing and thing. You know, she love her local seafood and them something they do. So she dip on the beach and have a local vibe on the boat, you know, said way.
Look at that!
Yeah, man, people. So I saw our day turn out. It could have never turned out any better, and later still for come. You see me? So yeah, I'm glad for say how it turn out, Shenseea. You see me? More life and thing. You see me?
Dog host. I'm Macka Diamond.
People, so Pretti done never stop till Macka Diamond release the track. You see me? Cause she don't give her the name, you know. Dog done, you know. And so far, I'm not tell no lie. You see me? The song I go and bad the people, them I say it bad, you know. You see me? So me I make on hear what I go on if as you can see. So Pretti done say she gone a studio, you know. But me make on hear what I go on first. It's a piece of Macka Diamond, then make on hear what Pretti done I say. So after the song they drop from Macka Diamond, Pretti done take it to Instagram and say, my producer ready at Archit Rock Music. Me got dash way the body the studio right now. Out granny. You know people, so the war look at on the comment down below, tell me what they think, you see me? Yeah, man. So as you can see, yeah, man, some really disrespected thing. I said you can go check out Macka Diamond one. We are wait for Pretti done one next, you see me? Otherwise this one last night.
Respect for due to big star, cause we'll murder you. You can't speak, and you can't run out on stage and wind up yourself, or kick out your foot them and go on mad. So you have to know so that we do, and that me I do right now, kick out my foot and go on mad. And the man, right now the people I'm call for you show them ready. So she better can star up some show. I testing this still since the lockdown, you know. So them want it. So she better ready for you to start something so you better can finish.
Yeah, I understand, but we just literally, you know, could just leave it on the media alone. You never really take it to the world like that, man. So because
Come like drunk with people. It don't come like, I'm gonna tell you how it come like. It don't come like say, some man want murder me, and them draw me out, them tie me up on one car, and them draw me go some country all about and rare. So it's a girl, she go like she want kill me and strangle me and punish me. So right, me have her upon that. So come to my field now, they say you want it. So come angle it, come deal with it like a boss now. And show her my talent and show her what me can. She used to her big loud mouth and she been cowing me down for years and cuss me off. And me try to cuss her off. And me realize that I'm not really comfortable with that. I want to done her for one song. And that me do so that she become to know.
okay.
And she don't know when me and the man in there. You don't know nothing. You just running. You see some picture. I don't know. I'm not busy for the man who want to get her picture. You know. But step on either.
Macka.
They check like who next to become expert. People don't find the artist that when they're in trivia and find him and tell him to come explain himself to because
Macka, not to be disrespectful, right? But you come like them woman there will find out so the man are cheap and them and cost the next girl and now cost the man. You sound like yes, Macka. Why never disrespect the man first before you gonna disrespect that?
I don't know if I disrespect the man. Remember, I can't come out to the opening and do that.
What do you mean?
You don't know if I do that.
But why you have to come opening? I give it to the than the picture.
She come opening and she come opening so she get this now opening. I know you don't know if this the man undercover.
No, but you shouldn't this man undercover. You should come out and this. I give make the picture come out.
No, because then anything and she let it out.
Oh, you mean and she let out nothing? That never did it. That did it.
And she get sitting on a post all about
but
and not even miss it.
no, but Dan, that's what Dan do.
No worry yourself, but deal with them wicked already, man. No worry yourself. Deal with them wicked. Deal with them wicked. So all of who feel like say, them never walk up on the next side of Macka. No, it is. See like how Corona broke out and no one show now keep on artists at that period. Don't come now, man. There's something to go to hungry for now.
The son.
But this Amari, I'm not this Amari.
No, you can say Amari, catch your son and for Dindi. You bring Amari to the son.
What about people name some of the rhyme, another rhyme?
Say Amari, say Amari name could have come by low right now, right now.
You might rhyme with something coming up on the code. Shit.
Bad luck in the blood.
No. Oh.
Macka.
It's just a rhyme, you know?
Alright, Macka,
Rhyme.
Macka, go and make up yourself, Macka, alright?
Rhyme. It's rhyme.
Alright,
Tell the price that she better answer because she just dead.
Alright.
No.